afternoon. Hope everyone's been having fun. It's Anne here. I am going to show you the Blue Skies Scrapbooking Month Cut Above kit. So it's in your catalogue at the back on page 42, and you can see the lovely pages here that it creates. The Blue Skies is the sort of papers, that's not what I want to say. Blue Skies is the theme of the papers for National Scrapbooking Month. I'll just turn on my light. There we go, that's better. Actually see what we're doing. Right, so as well as the paper packet, and there's a sticker sheet, there is this cut above layout kit. So that's what I'm just going to show you briefly. I started this the other day. I did do a video the other day where I was putting this together. So these are the pages that I've already done, and I'll show you how they come. So in the pack you get your cover sheet like this, which on the back has this set of instructions. So there's what the first page that I've been working on, that's what it's going to look like when it's finished, and there's the second one with some loose instructions. Now inside the packet we also get 3 sleeves so that you can actually put it straight into your album, and you get the background pieces. So these are the background pieces for the second page. Strips of paper which you might need to put on your pages for that second one they came, and then you also get a sheet of stickers. So these are the stickers for the second page. They're always labelled layout 1 or layout 2, so you know which stickers go with which layout, and a sheet of punch out pieces, which as you can see they just punch out of there, and again they're labelled so that these are the ones for layout 2, and I've already taken out the pieces from layout 1. Get all those in your pack, as well as you do get some photo place card holders, so that if you aren't ready to put your photos on your pages yet, you would pop these onto your pages to show where the photos go, and then later on you would take those off and pop on your photographs. I mean, these are great if you're doing this as a gift, or if you just need a reminder, oh yeah, I need a 4x6 photo to go in that place. I'm going to show you what I've done on my page, because I have done a couple of things that are worth pointing out. Mine is not exactly as per the photo. I wanted more of this rainbow to show, so I have shifted my photos across to one side. But the other thing I've done, and it does look a bit funny, is down here. See these bits here? They're actually going to come out when I put my photos in. That's the backing of the sticker. So on the sticker sheet I have cut a little chunk out like that, so that I could put it behind these stickers, because when my photos go in, my photos are going to go in here behind that sticker, and I don't want to have to try and peel it up at the time. So right now, if I was going to put this in, I could peel this off because it's the sticker backing, so it's not stuck firmly down. Put my photo in, take those off, and then only a small amount of my photo will be covered by the sticker. And the same with this one here, because I didn't want it to be stuck firmly down. So I have shifted these around a little bit. I have puffed up a couple of bits with some foam tape. And on this page, again, I have an idea of what photos are going to go on this page, and I have covered a couple of the lines here, because I know that I don't have that much journaling to go on this page, so I've moved this bit down a little bit. So my placements aren't exactly as per the instructions. I love these cut above. I love these cut above kits, because they allow me to just grab a packet, has everything I need to complete a couple of pages in it. They're really quick to come together. And if I want to, I can change the orientation of photos. There was no reason on this page that I couldn't have flipped this to be a landscape photo instead of a portrait one. And the same with the ones on the other page. I can turn them around to be the way I want them. You don't have to keep it exactly as is. You can leave things off, and you can even add things on if you've got other stickers or stamps that you want to place on there as well. So I find them just a handy thing to just be able to grab, go. I can go and sit and watch my children do something somewhere else and have everything I need. The only things I pack to take with me are my scissors, a journaling pen, and my tape runner. That's all I put in my bag, plus the kit. I hope that has clarified some things. If you have any questions about these, I'd love to help you out. I hope you enjoy the rest of your scrapping today. Bye.